Hi everyone, welcome to Homes Online. Welcome to yet another episode of Homes Online. Right now we are standing at a place called Kapur in Palakkad district. We have come here to showcase the beautiful house of the couple Niyaz and Shafi. So let's get to know all the details about this house in depth. Talking about the features of this house, let's start with the car porch. The highlight here is that even at a minimum level, there is a sufficiently spacious area. Especially since the house is situated on 60 cents of land, as soon as we enter, the car porch is well adapted to suit this house in this area. It's a big sized car porch where 2 or 3 vehicles can be parked comfortably.
Next, this has a sloped roof. The sloped roof is set in GI, galvanized iron. On top of it, ceramic tiles are used, and below, ceiling tiles are set as well. To mention specifically, the exterior of this house is quite spacious. Since it's on 60 cents of land, there's plenty of space, and the greenery here highlights the house beautifully.
Especially the plants like Madhura and Charit that come on one side make this look very attractive. Then the entire sitting area is done with nano white, and below that a wooden theme skirting is set. On both sides, the skirting is done in wood, which also adds to the attraction of this wooden theme. The pillars too are made to look attractive. In this latest restyle, the tiles used, this is the main highlight and it stands out beautifully on all sides. Similarly, this nano white slab is here and a small plant has been set up here as well. That is a natural plant. It also adds a nice attraction to this area, especially on both sides as you come up. That's why when you come to the front, this catches your attention immediately. Then this wooden theme as well. The ceiling is enhanced and everything here attracts you. Similarly, in this wooden theme, this one area has been spaced out so that the front looks really good. It's totally open, and that's another highlight. In the same way, for this area in the wooden theme, we've given this cylinder cob as an attractive feature, and the main part is made of teak wood. This has been done in 3/4 teak wood. Similarly, if we talk about the window, it's made with good spacing, fully open, and again it's made in teak wood. You can see the beautiful interior of this, come on. As soon as you come up through the veranda, this is designed in such a way that it attracts you. Here, a single area has been given that's right at the entrance itself, so this part is nicely focused and highlighted. Similarly, on this side, a courtyard has been set up. Right next to this is where the staircase comes, and likewise, on the back side of the staircase, a seating area has been provided. Then the entire hall area has been mainly finished with a gold profile in the test paint. That's why the total lighting in this area stands out in a different way. Now we are in the living space. The living space has been set up with a sufficiently large area and is designed with a double height ceiling. If you come here, in the first area, the sofa set has been arranged in a way that it combines with this milky white shade. Similarly, as you move to this side, a small courtyard has been set up here. Now let's move to the next area. Let me introduce you to my product. Then this part here is the louvers. Similarly, this area here has been set up using multiply mica laminate. Below, storage has been provided in this area, and the entire setup of this area is done in such a way that it is connected towards this side. If I talk about this area that has been set up, this golden finish here is done in GI. This partition with its wooden theme, along with the golden finish and the addition of small photo frames and little designs, gives this area a distinctly premium feel. Now, if we come to the dining lot, the total tiles used here are vitrified tiles. Similarly, as you come up, on one side we have tiles that come in the wooden theme style. Likewise, this entire area is a double height area, and the table type we have given here is specifically for this area. When we talk about this area, there's a question that comes up here. At first glance, you might think it's a massage question, but that's not the case. However, it is set up here in such a way that you can sit comfortably and rest well. Now, let's go to the master bedroom lot, which is also done in wood. Now, as we go up, we see a big sized bed here. This is a beton cot. It is also set in GI with a GI foundation, and the rest is completely done in multi-wood. We have done wallpapering for this as well, and similarly, a false ceiling has been done above. As for the panel, it is made of multi-wood, and this is a profile light. The entire ambience has been changed mainly because of the profile light. Similarly, if we talk about this area, it is quite a good space here. The bed is placed on this side, and we have done it in a bay window model. But right now, it is not a bay window, but we have made this area specifically for that purpose. As for the wardrobe, it has been set at a very good height. All of this has been done by a good team. Even the handrail is well made, and this is where one of its units comes. Here we also have an area for storage, and they have arranged it in such a way that profile photos and other things can be set up. A tall mirror has been provided here, and a spotlight has also been given for it. Similarly, if we come this way, this is an indoor door made of UPVC. This is ours. This is where the toilet comes. This is ours. First just look at the design of a door. If we talk about the designer of this door, it's the golden team. In certain areas of this house, the golden team's touch can be seen. That's the highlight. Now let's go to the bedroom. All of this is done in wood. As soon as you enter, you get that court-like feel. The frame for this is made with GI. Similarly, the viewer area is also set with multi-wood. Here, we have 2 storage areas. Likewise, this is done with wallpaper, and the wallpaper has a really cool design which makes this bed stand out nicely. We are highlighting it in a different way as it is made with multi-wood. As a profile, especially with this golden theme and the way the lights are set up, the entire ambience of this room has changed. Next, if we talk about the wardrobe, it is set up very well. There is enough space for storage with proper space and area, and there is also an upper section. So that's all about this area. Now, coming to dining table, it is set up in such a way that about 8 people can sit comfortably. The top of the table is made of marble and the base is made of wood. The chairs are also set up accordingly. This gives a premium look, and the combination of wood and this theme itself brings out a premium appearance. Now, if we talk about it, this area here comes in a double height, right? Because of that, this wall and our ceiling are done in a rustic paint with a golden profile. It is this golden profile that specially attracts attention to this area. The table and the base and all are a combination. If we lift it up, the greenery from outside, the proper greenery coming from there, we get it very nicely here. This area is set up as a workspace for us. In the same way, we can use this as an iron table as well. It is made with multi-laminate. Like this, we have storage here, and similarly, there is enough storage on the side as well. A small mirror has also been set up. They have designed it as a fancy mirror type. This is where the wash basin comes. If I have to specifically mention what attracts attention in the wash area, it's this hanging light. This hanging light, and similarly, here there is a PVC panel set in a nice design on both sides. Here this mirror is a touch mirror. Here what can we do? If we keep it at a normal level, we can get a wallet feel and all. We can light up this area as we wish. If we talk about the kitchen area, it's the southern area. Here the entire theme of the kitchen area is in milky white. Whether it's the ceiling or any other area, everything is totally in milk and white. What does this do? It really attracts attention. If I have to mention specifically, the tabletop in this area is made of nano white. Similarly, the hood and hob have also been set up. There is a breakfast counter here as well. Speaking about storage, it has been arranged in a very good manner, giving a premium look. Now let's move on to the rest bedroom lot, which has also been done in the same style. If you ask about the highlight of this, the wallpaper here is of a different type compared to the other rooms. Here it comes in a leaf design, which has been done really beautifully. Especially, it suits our mid-sized rooms very well. And it's a bed. Similarly, the foundation for this too has been done in GI. In the same way, after this, the wardrobe has been set up. The hind window is there. That too has been done with these Roman blinds. If we talk about the lighting part of this, on one side itself, we have set up a wall light. It is attached to this profile, and just like that, in this area, there is also a hand light. If you look at it, this whole area is done in teak. So when it comes to the handrail, that's in teak. While the rest is in GI, the steps and all are also done in teak. Especially, you can see a light at the bottom. What does that light do for this step? It gives an attraction. Especially if we talk further, this hand light, just like that, the golden finish we did at the Easter point, and as soon as we come up the stairs, if we talk about this upper living area first, this main living space is set up in such a way that it looks like a hotel. Whether you see it from the hand or from all three sides, and with the light coming in from outside, this whole area is arranged in such a way that you get that total effect. If we talk about it, it's actually a very spacious and really awesome area, because as soon as you come in from both sides, it feels very spacious. Then if we move on to the next area, especially if we come this way, our dining area, which comes in this double height space, looks just like a hotel. What we need to do is keep this area open, especially so that light comes in from outside. If we look below, there is a window there that lets in light from outside. Similarly, on that side too, either an approved side or a window is provided. The window on the side and all that helps the upper living area feel more spacious and brings in plenty of natural light from outside. That's what makes this area so good. Likewise, if we come here, there is a study table here. Just like that, there is storage below, and here as well, there is another storage space. Now anyway, let's move on to the next bedroom. This too is set with wood. We are now entering the next bedroom. This room is set up at a minimum level. It is arranged as a guest bedroom at a basic level. A normal cot and bed have been set up. Similarly, a standard window has also been installed. There's a regular mirror as well. That's all. Here, it's set up in a simple way as a guest room. I think all of you are watching this video now. To be specific, this is not a modern style. At the same time, it's not exactly traditional either. It's a mixed concept, but it's been set up with a very precise, superb design along with a minimal design. That's how this house has been arranged. Especially, we have to mention the architect behind this. Jane Architect is the one who has set up the interiors and exteriors of this house. She has done each part of it in a very clear and minimal way. Anyway, let's see the next episode of this house. I hope all of you like this. Bye-bye.